Hello everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe and today I will be working on this beautiful stained chest. It is in good shape, fairly in good condition apart from a few scratches here and there. So we will be prepping it, painting it and designing it. So first step, we will remove the hardware. We will not be priming this piece, but we will nicely sand this piece down to remove all the previous top coat and finish for our paint to adhere to this piece. So our sanding is completed. I am going to wipe this down with these wet wipes from Kirkland. They are alcohol free, they are very safe on furniture, so I'm going to wipe them down and free the furniture from any dust, any residues, for the paint to go on very smoothly on this piece. And this is what we collected after wiping it off. So today I'm going to paint it in Fusion Mineral Paint Cast Iron. It's a nice pretty black color. So this is my first coat. I am going to be doing a total of 2 coats of this color on this piece, completely on the fronts, on the sides, and on the top. So we are done with painting in 2 coats of cast iron, and I am going to put a decoupage paper on the front of this cabinet. So you can see this is beautiful decoupage paper with yellows and blacks, are very moody. So first thing is, when you take it out of the package, there have folding lines which we are going to get rid by steaming it. I'm using the steamer to get rid of those folding lines, and this is how it looks, and we are ready to apply it on the cabinet. So I'm using the decoupage gel. It is in the matte finish. We also sell it in gloss finish, which you can find on our website, and all the details to the products are in the description below. So I applied 1 coat of the gel on the drawer, and I'm going to align my decoupage paper carefully, securing it and just rubbing it, pressing it down to make sure there are no air bubbles and air pockets trapped underneath. So my drawer is done, the decoupage paper is on, and I will apply 1 coat of the gel on both the doors, and then align the decoupage paper there. So in one go I have put the gel, and I'm going to put down, press nicely, rub the decoupage paper on the gel, making sure it's sticking well to the decoupage gel and removing any air bubbles that it may have. Once it's secure, I am using the crafts knife. It is sharp and amazing to cut out the extra decoupage paper. So I'm going to trim it on the sides, on the top, and alongside the doors, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to seal it back again with 1 coat of the decoupage gel to make sure it is secure, and once it dries, it's firm. So I've applied the gel and I will let it sit and dry completely. Next part in this video is stenciling. So I'm using this Victorian tile stencil. You can see the pretty pattern, and I am going to use the chalk paste that is Iron Gate. It's a black chalk paste, and we are going to do some voice stencil. So the cabinet sides on both the sides looks like this. They are plain, painted in black, and we are going to design it today. To align the stencil, it's short in size. I'm going to cut the extra white part so that we can align it better. And once this is done, I'm going to place it on the side like this. And I will start applying the chalk paste with the scraper. It's an amazing tool. It's flexible for applying chalk paste or fiber paste and doing some raised stenciling. So you can see how smoothly the chalk paste goes onto the stencil, and the scraper is just magical. So I'm going to do one coat of the chalk paste and cover the pattern on the stencil to make sure we have the raised stencil pattern on the both the sides of this cabinet. So this is my first side, and I will keep going. This is the first part, and then I'll keep aligning the stencil and covering this part in raised stencil. So slowly removing it to show you this is how the patterns with the raised stencil look. Now the thing is, I let it dry. You can use heat gun or a blow dryer to dry the stencil, and once it's dry, then only go ahead and do the um, aligning of the stencil. Otherwise the chalk paste would go into the stencil and you will not get the crisp clean design. So I washed the stencil and again placed it so that the pattern is even. I'm going to take it off and show you the pattern, and this is how it's in continuation, and this is how I'm going to do the sides of this cabinet. So my stenciling is almost done. I will let it dry, and now we are going to paint over some light dry brushing so that the pattern blends into the paint color, the original color of this cabinet. So I'm using cast iron again and just doing a simple light coat of the paint, and you can see the pattern even looks so much pretty, just like a wallpaper. And then once it's dry, I'm going to seal it with Fusion Mineral Paint Top Coat in Matte, and this is the final look. This is the side. The whole side on the left and the right is a pattern in stencil, and this is the gorgeous front on the decoupage paper. It's nicely dried, and I'm so happy how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can grab the supplies from the description, and I'll see you next time in another video. Thank you.